Well, my background is, Steph, like I've been a female electrician, so I always felt like I didn't belong to females. Well, even in my own family, I always thought I was born into the wrong family. I don't fit into this family. I don't understand why I've been placed in this family, because I don't fit in. Like it's just a weird feeling. Yeah. Because no sooner you get given the signal from other people, or you're attuned to the signal that they're giving you signals off of, oh, what are you doing in this group? Or oh, that's not normal. That's not normal. So you go, oh shit, here we go. I don't fit into this group either.
And imagine an event that if it were to happen anytime in the future, you would have no other option but to respond in that triggered moment the way you consistently do, by believing I don't fit in.
Yeah.
And briefly describe that event. Who are you with and what are you doing?
I'm at a weekend away with a bunch of ladies that have invited me.
And in that moment, what are you focused on?
I'm focused on all their faces. I'm just relaxed and laughing, have a good time.
And what are you caring about?
I'm caring about who is actually looking at me and giving me the signal that I'm okay to be here. I'm caring about what we're going to be planning to do for the weekend.
And in that moment, what are you believing about yourself?
That I'm uncomfortable, and that I got invited because my friend is here, not because they invited me. I'm believing that hopefully it's going to be a great weekend together, and I'm going to meet some new people.
And in that moment, what are you believing about the situation?
That it's just uncomfortable, that it's that what am I doing here? That it's nice to get away. We don't do it that often, and it's nice to get away for a weekend and just hang out.
And what are you thinking?
I'm thinking, why did I say yes? I said yes to support my friend, but now I've said yes, I'm thinking, oh my God, why did I say yes? I'm thinking, this is great. I really I'm enjoying it. Yeah.
And in that moment, what are you doing?
I'm probably playing with my hands, like trying to release the anxiety through my hands. Just chilling out, listening to the conversation, having a few drinks.
What are you physically feeling in your body, and where are you feeling it?
I'm feeling it in my tummy. Just this churning. And like a tightness around my throat, because I'm thinking, oh, do I join the conversation, or if I say something, it might not be, in line with what they're speaking or talking about.
Are you feeling anything in your body now?
No, just nice and relaxed.
And what is the intensity of I don't fit in on a scale of 0 to 10?
No, it's pretty high. It's a 10. Yeah. It's a 1. Nothing more boring than being like everybody else. It's kind of like you've got to stir them up sometimes and be a little bit different. You never know where they might want to take it. That what you have is unique. Nobody else has what you have, and so that makes you unique, and it makes you special, and it makes you someone that's not on the mill of the normal drum boring people around you. So you've got to make that and turn it into an advantage rather than a disadvantage. You do not have to please every single person, but there will be certain people in that crowd that will resonate with you, and they're the ones that you belong to. this is what your uniqueness is all about, is to actually not fit into the normal, but fit into the abnormal. It's okay. There will be some in the crowd that I do connect with, but I don't have to connect with every single person. I can even feel it now. I can just feel the release, you know, I can feel the release. I just wished I'd have found this in my 30s and 40s instead of waiting until I'm 62. But anyway, no age barrier to Creatrix. So even at 62, you can still get results and
even at 80.
get rid of all your past. Yep, exactly. So it's like no age barrier. You know, people can say, oh, well, I'm too old now. What's, you know, I've lived with this all my life. What's the point? I might as well stay with it. And you think, nah, you've probably got another 20 years to go yet, mate. Also, that's a big, big step too, is owning your own negativity. You're owning your own badness, because lots of people don't even want to touch that. You know, they try and convince themselves they're 100% good and there's no bad in me and all that kind of stuff, yet everything bad keeps happening around them. You know, for them to actually go down inside and go, yeah, I feel angry, or, you know, I'm pissed off with this, or, you know, like with that, or that guy gives me the shits, or whatever. That's a big step, just to own that stuff for some people. And that's what I'm saying. If you're happy to own your own darkness and go, nah, I wanted to open the box on that and look inside and drag that shit out, and own every single bit of it, that's the biggest healing lesson you can have to start, if you're prepared to do that.